Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fine in this pandemic. It's Mr. Anonymous here. I know what you guys are thinking. Yeah, I'm not dead yet. Okay, I'm still alive. Sorry for not posting for some time. It's just some time. Okay, it's not long time. And like from now we'll follow a proper schedule. I'll post twice a week or thrice a week. Just let me know in the comments. And actually, I was planning to post it on Friday. So if I had to post it on Friday, I had to make it on Thursday. So Thursday, I went to COVID center for testing COVID because I had symptoms, and then people around me got. No, they're all better now. Okay, and then for some reason, COVID rejected me, dumped on me, cheated on me. You know, yeah, I'm saying all the possible words, man. Damn. So I was like, okay, so they just gave me some medicines and then asked me to take rest. It's negative, so but you still need to take rest. Okay, and then I thought I'll do something on 28th morning. You know, I was having my breakfast at 10. I was about to eat, and then I was scrolling down through Reddit, and then suddenly, a post popped up. It's like RIP King, and then I was like, oh man, what is this, man? No, like these kinds of jokes used to roam around on Reddit. So I was like, okay, fine, it might be some joke, okay. And then I saw two to three similar posts, and then I was like, wait, what? Why everyone are posting this? And then I just checked in Google. Yeah, he died. Chadwick Boseman died due to cancer, and I still can't believe that. I still can't believe that guy died due to cancer. Okay, I mean, like, just look at him. They say like he's fighting for that cancer like for 4 years, man. Like, does he even look like a guy who's fighting cancer? I mean, maybe before last 4 months or something. But man, yeah, during the Black Panther movie, he was fighting cancer, and then Black Panther movie was so good, man. You watch the behind scene things, it's really good. Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to say, man. I still can't believe it. And I hope that was just a joke. I still hope that. So I thought I would make a tribute art. You know, from 28th, I was sitting thinking, okay, I should make one. I should make one. I should get it right. Like making one is not hard, but getting it right is the hardest part. That's the only problem with concept art. People might straight off like it or just chuck it to the dustbin. Okay, there's no middle part in that. So I just sat, took my time, and I just prepared. I just finished it today, and then I was like, okay, fine, I finished it. I'll just go record the audio and then upload it. Yeah. So you guys can see the background style, right? It's kind of similar to the one I followed with Thor. No, I feel like in the end I'll explain about this background. Just leave it, and then I'll explain. And speaking of the character Black Panther, right? Black Panther is like I'll just give you a little bit of old history about black characters. Okay. Wait, is that an ant? Damn it! Get out! It's out, right? Yeah, it's out. It's out. Okay. So a little bit of backstory. During those times, right? The racism was really high. Whenever you have to write like uh, comic book story, right? Like, if you want to bring in the political stuffs, you need to get those characters right. You can't just like this, as I told you, right? Again, in the art and the comic side, right? Like, and movies. The thing is this, okay? One, you have to get it right, or you have to get it wrong. Like, there's no middle ground. Okay, okay, it's okay, it's okay. When it comes to superhero movies, it's like that. For example, you can take Daredevil. It was straight off trash, right? And then take Wonder Woman. It was really good. I don't know, man. People don't like Batman versus Superman. Maybe because Ben Affleck played Batman. Christian Bale already set that standard. Okay, he's like, I'm the best Batman. Okay, whomever's gonna act, you should act better than me. And then which is, I don't know, man, whether it's gonna be possible or not. Whether we'll get a Batman like Christian Bale. We're not gonna get a Black Panther like Chadwick. You know, still hurts, man. Like, just imagine that guy. That guy's like, that guy was literally fighting cancer for 4 years, and then he was doing all his like great movies, like the four great movies, right? Black Panther, Infinity War, Endgame, and Civil War. I mean, like, how did he even pull it out, man? All I think of cancer patients is like when they get diagnosed, they just take state of treatment, right? This guy was taking treatment. Like, did he even look like a guy who was taking treatment for cancer? Man, that guy's like, the best part is he was taking treatment, he was acting in movies, he was attending all the press meet, everything at the same time. He was helping cancer patients. Oh, man, that guy is like, he's so kind, man. Like I have seen like Black Panther multiple times, okay, and then I watched Gods of Egypt movie. You see like the two characters. He played a role in Gods of Egypt. Like you compare two characters, okay, Black Panther and the one he played in Gods of Egypt, okay. Like they both are entirely different, okay. There's like no connection. I still wonder how he pulled it out, okay. Yeah, a little bit of backstory about Black Panther, right? So when Marvel, like Black Panther is not the first black hero in Marvel, okay. It was Falcon, I think. Yeah, it was Falcon, and then Luke Cage showed up, and then in I think 1966, yeah, 1966, Jack Kirby and Stan created Black Panther in Fantastic Four 52. When it's like when it comes to black characters, like you take Falcon is basically sidekick for Captain America, and then Luke Cage is like Steve Dawn or something. But when it comes to Black Panther, that guy's a king, okay. Like that guy is actually king of a particular tribe which is like much more advanced than the present world, right? Like they are like 100 times more advanced than us. It's really hard to catch up. If it takes like 100 years and then we somehow catch up, and then they'll be again, they'll just develop 100 years, so like creating such a character. And then and then when they showed that particular character in Civil War, right? I was really hyped, okay. Like I didn't watch Civil War trailer, I didn't know who was there, and like I just went there and then sat. I was like, okay, so it's gonna be fun, like. And then I was just watching a movie, and then it was the Bucky fight, I think, yeah. And then they showed Black Panther. Trust me, that was really really awesome. And I was like, they announced Black Panther movie, okay. I was like so surprised. Okay, fine, so it's Black Panther movie, so will they get it right, you know there were some failures at that time, it was I think in Age of Ultron, yeah, it didn't do well. Like the movie wasn't good. I still don't know why they hired that director, man. The movie wasn't good. And then uh like when they announced Black Panther, I was really surprised. Like how are they gonna get it? You know, like there is no middle ground, as I told you guys, right? And then, man, this guy just nailed it, man. Like I still like when you compare it with comics, like most of the comics will match his role. I'm still surprised, uh, like when you take when you're portraying a famous character, right? It's easy because everyone will say same thing about them. But when it comes to a comic character, right, every writer will write a different way. you know for example, Jonathan Hickman will write in a different way. If you give it to Donny Cates, he'll write in a different way. But the representation he made, right, it's not just for him, it's for the entire black community, right? And then I was like, man, that movie was so good. Like so good. and I still can't believe, man. I was actually planning to paint Black Panther. It was like a week ago. Okay, I was like, okay, fine, Black Panther 2 is gonna come. So I'll just make Namor versus Black Panther concept art. And then when I got this news, I was like, damn it, man. I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Like, you know, death is not an end. He is still king of the undead. Man, that's all I like. Okay, so like a little bit of explanation about this drawing. So, if you guys have seen the Black Panther movie, right? He goes to that afterlife thing. So where there'll be one tree and then there'll be the sky effects, right? The glowing lights. So it's that the moon's there, and then the ships is like Black Panther leading a nation, and there's Chadwick Boseman with the with his Black Panther suit of necklace. So that's it. No, that's all about the concept art. Simple, right? Man, I hope this guy was sticking around. Still can't. I just want to say like, long live the king, man. He's still the king, man. They're not gonna replace him. Trust me, they're not gonna. Okay, so no. 2020 is so horrible, people. Just take care. Make sure you take care of your health. Thank you.